Alright, so today we're going to be learning how to make an origami tulip. See this? Alright, pretty simple, okay? Not too terribly difficult. I kind of like it now. This is done in yellow, as will be the one I'm doing in the video today, but you can, in theory, make them out of just about any color. I mean, I've done purples, I've done pinks, I've done greens, you can have a pretty wide variety in the tulip colors here. Alright, so, I'm using a slightly darker yellow here. Alright, so, to get started, you're going to need a square of paper. Now, this is a 4-inch square, approximately 9 or 10 centimeter square. So, but you can, in theory, do it with any size square. Alright, so we're going to start off by folding it along the diagonal, alright, in half, see? Like this. Alright, then we're going to unfold and fold the other way along the diagonal. Alright? Alright, see? Now we're going to unfold it again. And we're going to fold the opposite direction along the middle, from side to side. Again, we're folding it in half. Alright? See? And we're going to need to do this in both directions. Alright? See? So we end up with something kind of like this. Or this if it's unfolded. Alright? So, we're then going to need to collapse this into a nice, lovely diamond shape. See? Alright? With 2 flaps on either side. Okay? Alright, so, now we're going to take these corners. Alright? See? Right here. And we're going to fold it to the center. But we're going to do it at an angle. We're not going to just make a straight edge. Okay? So, we're going to want that top to be slightly farther in than the bottom. And we're going to want the point to hit the center. Okay? Now we're going to want to try and make the sides to be as equal as possible. So, I'm going to fold it over and use it as the model for the side. So that way we end up with something more or less the same, right? Okay. And then since we've got this side done, we can flip it over and do the same thing, see? Alright. Okay, see? Nice, even sides. We're going to need to do this both sides. Alright? So we're going to end up with something kind of like this, see? Okay. We're going to need to flip to the other sides, so... See what I just did there? Alright? Okay. Now on this side, we're going to do the bottom edge here. We're going to fold it to the center. Alright? Like this. Now you don't have to fold it all the way to the center. I just prefer to fold it to the center because I think it gives the bottom slightly more streamlined appearance. Alright? And it holds together just a little bit better. Alright. Okay? And we're going to do this again on both sides. Alright? Alright. See? So we're going to end up with something kind of like this. See? Okay, so here's going to be the trickiest part of this whole design, which actually isn't all that tricky because the design's fairly simple. We're going to come up here to the top, and we're going to open it up. Alright? Push out all those sides, so we end up with something like this. And then we just curl these top edges back. Alright? See what I'm doing here? And then voila, we have a tulip. Alright? Pretty simple, huh?